Ryobi knows drill chucks. First ensure that your drill is disconnected from the mains and then put on your safety glasses. Then pick up the drill, loosen the chuck and remove the drill bit if there is one still in it. Completely open the chuck jaws. Inside you'll see a left-hand threaded Phillips screw. Insert a Phillips head screwdriver and then turn it clockwise to loosen and remove the screw. Let the screw drop out, place an Allen key between the jaws and then lightly tighten them. Next, use the chuck key to tighten the jaws against the Allen key. Place the drill flat down and strike the Allen key firmly with a hammer in an anti-clockwise direction in relation to the chuck. The chuck can now be removed easily. Now, screw on the new chuck in a clockwise direction. Finally, insert the left-hand threaded Phillips screw. Do not over-tighten as the drill will tighten it during normal operation. You are now ready to use your new chuck. Ryobi, power tools that won't quit.